Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my series on fascia embodiment, fascia dynamic imagery. And in this case, we are still focusing on the gluteus. However, we're not thinking downward towards the leg, we're going to think upward towards the lower back. So the gluteus muscle, its fascia is connected to the lumbar fascia, thoracolumbar fascia, and it helps to dampen excessive forces while it also improves stability of the lower back. So pretty complex stuff going on. So if I step on my right leg, the right gluteus is contracting and it's pulling on that thoracolumbar fascia, providing a little more stability there to the lumbar spine via its insertions into those spinous processes. But at the same time, the muscles are helping to reduce excessive vibration as I walk along. So those are two different embodiments. On the one hand, you're thinking the muscle contracting to create more support. So mechanotransduction into the lower back, force transduction into the lower back, helping to hold that lower back and keep it from toppling forward, one could say. On the other hand, the muscle, and especially the ground substance in the fascia, is helping to reduce excessive vibrations in the lower back that happen when you walk, run, and do many different types of sport or exercise. So try those different embodiments. As I step on my right leg, the right gluteus is helping to dampen the forces and also support the lower back. And as I step on the left leg, the left gluteus is doing that. It really works. Give it a try. You probably will immediately feel some relief in your lower back, more ease in your lower back, and also you can walk and exercise much longer. Here's a very extreme case, so you can see it's going very steeply downhill. It never looks as steep on the video, but I can tell you it is steep. And so I'm going down like that, focusing on it. It's wonderful, feels great, makes it so much easier. So we're using our mind and our physical experience to improve our function. As we say in the Franklin method, embodying function improves function. So have a lovely day, stay healthy, and hope to see you at my upcoming free fascia embodiment webinar. And we're going to learn a lot more, lots of great exercises, lots of take-home insights. Have a wonderful day, and see you then.